Welcome to TechWonk Tutorials. In this tutorial you will know how to block, unfriend someone on Facebook without them knowing it. You might be wondering how to block or unfriend someone on Facebook without them really knowing it, but there is a simple way to achieve it. Please this guide to know more. First of all, what is blocking on Facebook? Blocking is a privacy feature provided by Facebook very long ago. It is dedicated to prevent few people from contacting us and also prevents from showing our information to them. If you directly block someone using the steps specified here, then you are likely to get caught. So how can we block someone without them knowing it? There are some indirect ways to achieve what we call unfriend, block without really doing so. Block, unfriend anyone indirectly. 1. Add them to restricted list, recommended option. Follow the below instructions to add any of your Facebook friends to your restricted list. Go to their user profile. Hover over, mouse over, friends at the top of their profile. Click Add to another list. Click Restricted. How to see who is on your restricted list. Scroll down to Friends to the left of News Feed. Hover over, mouse over, Friends, then click More. Click Restricted. What happens if you put someone on restricted list? They cannot see any posts you share with your friends. They cannot view any profile information you share with friends. They will still be in your friends list but cannot view the information you share with your friends. The posts, information you share with a privacy of public audience can be viewed by restricted list people. 2. Unfollow them. Alternative option to restricted list is unfollowing them. This option just prevents you from seeing their activities in your news feed. Click in the top right corner of Facebook, down arrow icon. Click on News Feed Preferences option. Select Unfollow people to hide their posts. Search for the person in the list and then click on their profile picture to unfollow. Click Done. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe for more video tutorials.